What if you don't, what if you're not able to design your house from scratch? You're already renting a place, or you've already bought a place. What do you do then? Let's say if a house has all three doors, right? Front, side, and back. Once you have the permanent energy blueprint, then you can decide, okay, you know what? The side door is better. The side door brings in more money. We'll use the side door more. The permanent energy stays as long as you are in that house. But energy constantly changes. Flying star energy changes every year, every month, right? In fact, also every day. But even me, I don't even do my flying star based on the day. But let's say your side door is your money door based on your permanent energy, right? Which is actually the case for my house. My side door is one of my money doors, but because it's in the west this year, and those of you who are familiar with Flying Star for 2022, what is happening in the west this year? The west has number 7. And in Flying Star, the number 7 is not positive at all. So this year, I don't use my side door. I use my front door. Even though permanent energy-wise, the front door is not as good compared to the side door, but because of the energetic changes, just for this year, I'm going to change my usage.